they made some bad birds. Look at that. Don't know what they're gonna taste like, but they sure are pretty. Got a little Slovakian sausage over here. Slovakian, however you want to pronounce it. There it is. A little jalapeno. Over here I got some Chapel Hill. And we got some birds. Yep, we just talk because I can get it off.
Bailey, come here.
Bailey, what are you doing?
Come here.
Wait, here's a bone to watch. Ready? Yeah, it's a little clean, ain't it? Just a little clean. Usually I have meat gloves, but today I don't have a meat glove for some reason. That's okay, this thing's so tender, we're just gonna pull it with some tongs. I don't like to mince it up anyway. Where's the money muscle?
Bailey, come here. Come here. Close the door. Close the door.
Yeah, I'll pick the fat out. Whatever fat's left from what I've trimmed, we're gonna pull that out. What you just saw me throw. Shut it off. Alright guys, Rich here. Gator Pellet Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I put that brisket on, which was about 11.5 pounds, then I trimmed it down, and I got this butt, which is about 8 pounds, and I trimmed it down a little bit, and of course I cut it in half, obviously, and laid the two halves in there. It cooks a little faster that way, and I get a little more bark on there. That's the way I like to do it. So, it's been 9 o'clock since I put these on. It's now 11:38 is the time. Let's see what we got on this temp. 158 and 161. Again, only been on there since 9. Cooking at 270. That's 170. I've been cooking at 270 degrees on the plug cooker. This 164, 189. Wow, guys, only about 2.5 hours. That's it. Cooking at 270 degrees on my pellet grill by Gator Pit. I am about to wrap my brisket, and I'm going to go ahead and put these butt halves. I'm going to put them in a foil pan, actually. Put some foil on it and capture some juices from it. But again, 2 hours and 38 minutes to be on the pellet grill here, and I'm at a little over 160 already on the brisket. And you saw, I'm wrap time on these without a doubt, and then some. So I'm going to go ahead and foil pan these now. Those aren't going to take much longer to cook and be done. I did put my temperature down, kick it down to 225 on here. I was 270. I'm going to drop it down to 225 because I'm not in a hurry for these to be done. So I want to slow them down a little bit. I don't have anybody coming over here till about probably 5 o'clock to eat. And if I keep cooking at 270, they're going to be done here in probably 2 more hours. They'll be done. And I don't want to have to hold them that long, so I'd rather slow it down at 225 on here and pull these things off, and probably, well, the butt I'm going to have to take off because this is cooking really fast. But the brisket is going to be going here a little lower and slower. And that's it, guys. Rith Robin, Gator Pit of Texas, custom barbecue pits. This is my Texas Premier 2. Texas Premier 2 is a 24 by 36 long, 24 diameter, about 36 long pellet grill with our Pellet Pro 35-pound hopper, stainless steel upgrades on it. Of course, a nice stainless steel front shelf that drops down, my paper towel hangers, some utensil hangers. In this case, it's holding my apron. And I got the big upgraded 8-inch all-weather casters and foot brakes. And I got this nice drop-down shelf, which I use the hell out of this thing. As you can see, I'm using it now for my spritz and holding my water hose, and it holds my meat pans and anything else I want to put on there is big. It's 24 deep by about 20 inches out. I got my ball valve grease drain, which I'm fixing to put my grease bucket on there. I just realized I don't have a bucket on it. So I'm putting my grease bucket on it, open it up, and let that thing drain out. It's not going to be a whole lot in there anyway. But that is the Gator Pit pellet grill, guys. It is kicking ass. It's extremely easy to cook on. Puts nice smoke in your meat, which you'll see. I'll try to take pictures, or maybe even do a video when I cut that brisket. That brisket will have a smoke ring in it. I always have smoke rings in my brisket. If you looked at my previous pellet grill photos and videos, love it. Love it. Again, I put the meat on at 9 o'clock. Had the temp already set at 270, so the pit was at 270 when I put the meat on. It took about, I don't know, 10, maybe 7 minutes, I think, 8 minutes to get to 270 from a cold start. And haven't done anything. I mean, just been in the house, and I'm fixing to go to the store, and I'll be back here in a little bit, and it'll still be going without anybody having to worry about anything. See ya. Got some good smoke coming out this meat slinger pellet grill. It might be kind of hard to see in the video. Look at that, man. That is some good smoke coming out.